just tired of wearing the same clothes. Like, I want something more vibrant. And like, since Holi is coming up, for all Holi parties at evening for when we go for dinner, what am I supposed to wear? The same thing I always wear? I want something new. Let me see if I can make something new. Oh wait, I should ask Arja.
2 minutes later.
Yo bro, Arja, what's up? Oh hey bro, so what made you come here all of a sudden? Oh no, nothing much, but like I just wanted to ask you that can you make any epic clothes, because I've seen many of your YouTube videos, you know how to make a lot. So yes, can you just help me out with making something, because I'm done and bored with the same damn clothes. I have to wear the same thing every time and I want to do something new. Yeah, that's a nice idea. I can make that for a YouTube video too. And yes, I will also be doing a tie and dye t-shirt. I think that will look pretty cool. So yes guys, we are gonna be doing a tie and dye t-shirt, how to make it and all the epic tricks about how to do it, all the things that you need and everything, all your doubts about it will be cleared in this video. And guys, special announcement, I will be doing a giveaway of this t-shirt. So if you want to enter the giveaway, you have to it's very easy. You have to just like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and in the next video, I will announce the winner by spinning the wheel. So yes guys, let's get started.
Okay guys, so the first thing you need is a newspaper to keep on the ground. Then you need any t-shirt or cloth which is light colored or white. Then you need some gloves to protect your hands from the fabric dye or food coloring you are using. Then you also need a bit of salt. Then you can also use these colors of your choice. I'm gonna use yellow, orange and red, and I will be doing the trick of the spiral fold. Then you at least need 4 to 5 rubber bands. And last but not least, you need 1 bowl of water. Setting up the newspapers.
Okay guys, so now we need a bowl of water here. Then we need our salt here and we need our t-shirt. So what we are going to do is, we are going to take the salt and we are going to put some salt inside the bowl and inside the water. Do not put everything, and we have to put this so that the color stays permanently on the t-shirt. So now I'll be dipping the whole t-shirt inside the thing, inside the bowl of water, and now we will have to squeeze it. Yes guys, so now I have my t-shirt, like it's drained, the water is drained from it. Now we don't need the bowl of water and the salt. Now what we will be doing is, we will be doing the tricks for folding it. So today I'm going to teach you the spiral folding trick. So what we do is, we take it from the center and now we keep twisting it and twirling it until it's fully twisted. And then if there are long sleeves, you can just do this. And yes, so now we have this ready. The fold is ready. So now we will take our rubber bands and we will put it in from different angles. Now we will be putting this rubber band in. Okay guys, so we have both the rubber bands and we are just going to put one last rubber band from the slanting way. Okay guys, so now we have done our folds, as you can see, and we have to keep it nice and hard if the rubber band shouldn't come off. So now it's time we use our gloves to put the colors on. So let's wear the gloves. Okay guys, so my gloves and the colors are all ready. So an easier way to pour the colors is by a beaker. Okay guys, so we have our beaker here and now we are going to pour the colors. So this is the red color, this is the yellow and this is the orange one. So we can do it in a pattern too. So we are going to do yellow, orange, red, yellow, orange, red. So let's first pour the yellow. First is yellow, See guys, as you can see, the colors are absorbing inside the t-shirt. And once you do one of the sides, you have to turn it and do a bit of the other side. So now we have yellow again right here. It should be everywhere. Just we have to leave just a bit of white space, not much of it. So we are done with our yellow colors. Now we will be using the orange. So let's pour it in. I will show you now how it comes out. So when you pour it, it comes out as light orange. Guys, make sure, please prevent all the colors coming on your hands or on any of your body parts, because they take a couple of days to get off. So it's better that we don't even have them on us. Now we have the color of red. So yes, this is the tie-dye t-shirt, and now what we have to do is we have to let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes. So let's see you guys in 15 to 20 minutes.
So guys, this is how it looks when it's tied with the rubber bands. So as you can see, I've put all 3 colors and all of them are visible. There might be a little white space, but that's the effect.
Okay guys, so the t-shirt is a bit wet, but it's okay. So we will just open it now and then I will keep it for drying later. So now let's see how it has come. So for doing that, it's a very easy step. We just have to open up the rubber bands. And yes, I will also actually keep it for drying later, because if you don't keep it for drying, then the colors might not just absorb properly. So yes guys, now's the moment of truth. We will be seeing how this has come out. So this is a spiral fold. It's come out like this. So yes guys, if you want to enter the giveaway, you just have to like and subscribe. So if you might just win one of this epic t-shirt made. And guys, the colors printed on the back side too, as I said. So this is how it looks open. We have all our colors printed, yellow, orange and red in the center. And it's called spiral because of this spiralated effect from all sides. It's like a bit coming. And guys, you can also make this at home and you can gift it to anybody you want, your loved ones or your friends or your family. And this is special and perfect for the times of Holi. So this is the final result. So if you win the giveaway, you can also give it to anyone you love, your mother. And guys, for entering, you have to like and subscribe, and in the next video, I will be spinning a wheel and seeing which subscriber wins. I will message the subscriber for their address and I will deliver this to them. So guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video and see you guys next time. Bye!